Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Bhavnagar location. It is from Gujarat. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are various job vacancies available from Dealshare. They have openings for the following job positions like Operation Manager for Warehouse and Assistant Manager Operation for Warehouse and Assistant Manager Operation for Last Mile. For these positions, you must have experience from e-commerce, FMCG, retail grocery, logistics, B2B, B2C and warehouse operations. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for Customer Relationship Officer position from Bandhan Bank. For this position, they will prefer local candidates who have experience in working with retail banking and finance segment. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from Lords Hotels and Resorts, and they have openings for the following job positions like Chinese Commis 2, Housekeeping Associates and Job Training, and South Indian Chef and Tandoor Commis 3. These are the job vacancies available. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are various job vacancies available from NBFC company, like they are looking for area sales manager and sales manager position. For these positions, you must have 1 year of experience and should have experience in unsecured loan or secured loan or business loan. And you should have the age, like for the position of sales manager, you should have the age below 34 years. And for the position of area sales manager, you should have the age below 36, and the salary will be for the sales manager position, that is up to 8 lakhs per annum, and for the area sales manager it would be up to 13 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for manager position from S Bank Limited. For this position, you must have minimum 3 years of work experience in working capital. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for project deputy manager position from chemical manufacturing company. For this position, you must have 6 to 10 years of work experience in multiple projects for manufacturing process or utilities, safety, re-engineering or interventions or productivity. And for this position, you are going to get a salary up to 10 to 14 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for senior engineer position for preventive and predictive maintenance, and it is from King's Dehydrated Foods Private Limited. For this position, you should have qualifications like ITI or diploma in mechanical or bachelor in mechanical will be preferred. And if we see the experience required, for the candidates of ITI, you must have minimum 10 years of work experience in plant machinery and equipment maintenance. And for the diploma candidates, you must have minimum 7 years of work experience. For the bachelor candidates, you must have minimum 5 years of work experience. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.